over here.
Yeah, I know. There's a lot of snow.
I love this. Make snowball.
That's
You can make a
I got
snowball.
a big one too.
Throw it at Daddy.
Snowball.
Oh wow.
I did it.
I know.
You make it.
Huh?
You make it.
I'm making a good one.
Daddy's gonna throw it out to nowhere and not at anybody specific.
Over, of course.
What if he hits the camera?
I throw it over there.
Okay, throw it over there. Whoa, good one.
You make more.
You want me to make more?
Yes, Daddy's a snowball factory.
I guess so. In the wrong kind of snow too.
I made snowball.
I know.
Trevor, I love you. I love you.
I love you.
You having fun in the snow? Is it very cold? Can't even see your hips. They're under the snow.
We're walking.
We're walking now? Okay, let's go. Let's walk.
I'm right here.
Okay.
We can go try and check the mail. It would be a day-long event.
I can get there.
I like snowball.
Not as a family. Okay.
I'm not one.
Trevor, make a snow angel.
I got one.
Can you lay down? Lay down on your back. Now, wave your arms and legs. Wave them. Great job.
I did it.
Now get up and let's look at your angel. Oh, you get a little stuck? Okay, your angel's perfect.
I did it myself. Daddy.
What?
Go over here.
No, I'm freeing the car.
Freeing the car?
What?
Freeing the car?
Yeah.
Say, Daddy, get back here.
Get back here, Daddy.
Please.
Please. Please, Daddy, please.
Or let's go get Daddy. Come on.
I need
Bye-bye.
my hammer.
You making snowballs? And what are you going to do?
I roll it.
You rolling it?
No, roll it.
Throw it? Oh.
I didn't go there.
Go over where?
There.
Okay, have fun.
What?
Mommy's staying back here because it's really cold.
I didn't feel my hands. Daddy.
So it was a good idea, Joe, to put plastic bags on his feet.
Why?
Because I'm sure there's not any water getting into his feet.
You're right.
Whoa.
I'm wrong. Whatever.
Oh,
Yeah,
glad
whatever.
again. I'm glad.
Trevor, you want some chili for dinner?
No.
A hot bowl of chili?
No.
Are you going to make me another angel? Whoa, look at you. Flap your arms like a bird.
No.
The snow get on your face? Daddy, you want a hot bowl of chili?
What?
You want a hot bowl of chili?
Daddy! I'm on my face. Again.
It's on your face again? Oh, man.
Here comes water, Daddy.
Okay.
Watch out.
Daddy, be careful.
Yeah, I think Daddy would have to go grocery shopping by himself tomorrow.
Whatever, you're a trooper.
Daddy, it let snow there.
You're a trooper.
It let
Hopefully
snow
they'll have
there.
the roads plowed.
I like it. Walk. Whoa.
Whoa.
Daddy, Mommy, I need help.
Okay, I'm coming. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.
Love you, family.
Got your family.
Okay.